How often do you get asked about Bitcoin?
At least once a week.
By what? By clients that are trying to figure out the market?
Mostly institutional clients, actually. There's an enormous amount of interest, not just in Bitcoin, but in cryptocurrencies and blockchain more generally.
And so what do you answer that? Is there opportunity? Do you need to see whether it's regulated? What will this become?
Well, look, I mean, at this stage, there are huge issues. There are safety issues, as we just discussed. There's liquidity issues, regulatory risks. So, this is a very new thing. And to us, at this stage, this is not an investable asset class. This is not something we're advising anybody to put money in unless they're willing to lose their entire stake. Having said that, it's new, it's interesting. You know, the fact that interest has persisted despite these repeated hacks, despite regulators waking up and trying to catch up with this new development and gradually weeding out all the illegal uses, suggests that maybe there is something to it. Clearly, it's evolving very fast. And so, you know, right now our view is this isn't an investable asset class, but we're certainly keeping that under close review because it's an interesting development.
If the G20 regulates, will it change everything for you?
It will not change everything overnight, but certainly it will be another step towards maturity for this asset class.
Okay, overall, I mean, I don't know whether you're looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, or is it blockchain, which is what you were suggesting. Is there any way that investors can actually get in on the Blockchain Act, which I keep on being told is probably the one thing that will be used in years to come?
Well, there's lots of ways to get in. The question is, are they safe? You know, you have to think of it. This is a bit the Far West at this point. And again, if you're a venture capitalist, yes, there's ways. If you just if you're a regular investor, you know, very hard thing to do because you can't really put a fair value on any of these ICOs or other investment. And so for now, really, our advice is don't go into it unless you're willing to lose your entire stake. But it's a space worth watching.